Milwaukee County employees of high-risk facilities like the county jail are now required to get a COVID booster shot within the next 2 weeks. Our Angelica Sanchez joining us live now with more on the consequences for employees who do not comply with this new requirement.
That's right, Steph. One of those consequences could actually be a suspension of 10 days without pay. But there are some incentives for those employees that do follow this new mandate.
We should be pushing people towards education and vaccinations.
During Tuesday's city and county briefing, city leaders once again discussed the importance of vaccinations to control the many challenges brought on by the pandemic.
That's how we're going to make sure that people's symptoms are low, and make sure that hospitalizations from COVID remain low as well.
A release from the county executive's office says a booster mandate is now in effect and applies to employees who work in high-risk facilities like the county jail, the House of Corrections, the Youth Detention Center, and the Behavioral Health Hospital Service. The deadline to receive the booster, if you are due for one, is February 4th. This announcement comes on the heels of recent COVID-19 outbreaks at the county jail and the House of Corrections. Numbers provided to Fox 6 a week and a half ago showed cases were on the decline for both inmates and staff. County Executive David Crawley was not available for an on-camera interview, but in a statement says Milwaukee County is not unique in that it has felt the impact of COVID-19 on our workforce. A COVID-19 booster means employees who provide critical, essential services are less likely to contract COVID-19 and, if infected, are less likely to have severe illness. Employees who do not follow the mandate could face suspension with no pay for 10 days. This could also affect a future promotion or wage increase. However, all employees who submit proof of their booster vaccines will be entered into a weekly incentive prize drawing. Each week, at least 2 employees will be selected to receive a $250 award. Now, this does not apply to those employees that already have an approved exemption from the COVID-19 mandate. Reporting live outside the county jail, Angelica Sanchez, Fox 6 News.
All right, Angie, thanks.